Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we're gonna show you how to make this lock box in which you can keep whatever you want, jewelry or anything you like. And it's really easy, like believe me, it's really easy to make and not much time consuming as well. It's really incredible for yourself and also for gifting it to anyone else you like. Now let's begin. For making the box, we need two of these cardboards of length 10 centimeters and width 5 centimeters, and one cardboard of 10 centimeters length and 2.5 centimeters width. And we'll be needing glue, wrap, masking tape, and hot glue. Let's begin. At first, I am using hot glue to stick the cardboards. I mean, even other glues work on cardboard, but just for time, we are using this. We're going to be sticking it like this on the bigger cardboard, and the other cardboard will be like this above. We must make sure that it works as a flap, so it should be loose and not glued directly onto that cardboard. So I'll be taping it instead of gluing it, as you can see here. It looked like a folder by now. And it's time to wrap it. I'll be gluing the wrap one by one directly on the cardboard. And now it's complete, and after completing this, we have to be making the sides, which I'll be sticking them like this. And we will be right back after gluing them. It looks really nice already as a box. It looks amazing to gift someone as well. But now it's time to complete it. So I'll be taking two cardboard pieces like this, like capsules, and two hearts. And I'm going to cover them with black book cover and also make holes in them. And you can notice that in one of the hearts you can see through the hole, and you can't in the other because you should only cut a hole halfway in the other so that you can, keep the lock like that. This will make sure that it holds the lock properly. Now I'll be making the lock. Just insert it there and glue it. Waiting for it to dry. And that's it. And then glue it right there at the center of the lid of the box. And now it's time to make the part that locks it. This is also very easy to make. I just took a strip of black book cover and glue it on the heart. Now this is how it works. It slides down like that, and we'll be gluing the other end of the strip below the box. We should make sure it's not too tight or else it could break. It should be tight enough to hold the lid of the box. And that's it. The box is complete. You can keep whatever you like inside there. You can definitely gift it to your loved ones and they will surely love it. And I'll show you how you can also lock it. So I have this small lock here. So I just lock this box like that. And it's really simple to make, very easy. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.